Have you ever wondered whether you can actually make money using ChatGPT? The answer is yes, but not by simply asking it questions. ChatGPT is a powerful AI assistant that helps you work faster, create better content, and build income-generating opportunities. In this video, I'll show you 12 practical ways to use ChatGPT to make money in 2026. 1. Create YouTube content. If you dream of becoming a YouTuber, ChatGPT can help you generate video ideas. Write scripts, create catchy titles, descriptions, SEO keywords, and even reply to comments. This saves time and helps you upload consistently. 2. Freelance writing. Many businesses need blog posts, articles, emails, and website content. ChatGPT helps you produce high-quality drafts quickly, allowing you to earn by offering writing services online. 3. Copywriting. Companies pay for persuasive content that sells products. ChatGPT can help create sales pages, advertisements, marketing emails, and product descriptions that attract customers. 4. Sell digital products. You can create ebooks, study notes, worksheets, templates, planners, or business documents with ChatGPT. Once created, these digital products can be sold repeatedly. 5. Online tutoring. Teachers and students can use ChatGPT to prepare lesson notes, quizzes, assignments, and revision materials. You can then earn by tutoring online or offline. 6. Social media management. Businesses need engaging content for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. ChatGPT helps generate captions, posts, and content calendars, making it easier to manage multiple accounts. 7. Graphic design support. When combined with AI image generation tools, ChatGPT can help create posters, flyers, logos, presentations, and YouTube thumbnails that you can sell to clients. 8. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions from every successful sale. ChatGPT can help you write product reviews, promotional posts, blog articles, and video scripts. 9. Blogging. Create a website and publish helpful articles using ChatGPT as your writing assistant. As your audience grows, you can earn through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. 10. Programming and website development. If you're interested in coding, ChatGPT can explain programming concepts, write code, debug errors, and assist in building websites and applications for clients. 12. Business consulting. Entrepreneurs need business plans, marketing ideas, customer service responses, and growth strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more AI tips, technology updates, and online income ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.